Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the device and enabling core services so the location changer can work. Open Settings and turn Location on, then choose High Accuracy so GPS plus Wi-Fi and mobile networks combine for best results. Once done, grant the target app permission to access location. Without permission, the changer cannot fake location for that app. Make sure developer options are available. If not, tap Build number 7 times, because you'll need one developer toggle. Now you install and configure a mock location app to supply the fake coordinates. Open Play Store, pick a reputable mock location tool, and install it. Then go to Developer Options and set Select Mock Location App to that tool so Android accepts its data. Inside the spoofer, enter the coordinates or drop a pin where you want to appear, save a profile, and enable any persistent or background options so the spoof persists when apps run. This step connects the tool to system location. Finish by testing and finalizing settings so your device consistently reports the new position. Open Google Maps or the app you intend to use and verify the pin matches the spoofed coordinates. If it doesn't, restart the phone and reopen the spoofer. If an app detects mock locations, make sure high accuracy is active, try a VPN to change network data, or use an alternate spoofer with root support. If you're done, revoke mock permission and clear location cache to restore defaults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.